What's going on, guys? Angelo here, coming to you with another video. Today I have a huge unboxing to give to you all. This is the Ninja Foodi, the pressure cooker that crisps. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty, so today this is a pretty big package. My mom literally just bought this. I don't know if you all can really tell from the size because of just the angle my tripod is, but this box is huge. It weighs about probably 25 pounds, so not many people who get like accessories or utensils and whatnot for the kitchen would be picking up something like this heavy. Honestly, this isn't heavy to me, but I'm saying this isn't your normal type of like pressure cooker or anything. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the side of this first things first, and then we'll go ahead and get into it in just a little bit. All right, so on the first side, as you see here, it says pressure cooker, air fry crisper, as well as TenderCrisper. This thing does 3 different types of things. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be better than the Instant Pot. Now, I haven't actually got to use the Instant Pot myself, but I do know many people who have bought this product or bought the Instant Pot. This is going to run you a pretty big penny. This is running you about $200 on retail. That's like $199. It should give you free shipping. I'll leave it in the link in the description. You can get this at probably Costco as well as BJ's for around maybe like 150, depending on like when they're doing a sale for this. Now, like I said, these units are being sold pretty fast. This is a pretty new type of item for your kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and look at the other side really quick. So on this side, as you can see, they're emphasizing the 3 types of main things that this will be doing. Again, now this also, as you can see here, goes up to 450 degrees. It's also showing off the pressure lid, and then it has the crisping lid. Now we're going to go ahead to the other side really fast. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. I don't want this unboxing to be too long because I know when I do a full review of this, that one's going to be the big video. So yeah, again, it shows off like the stuff there, pressure cooker, air fryer, and then the TenderCrisper as well. And then on this last side, they're going to show off basically what's inside this. All right, so as you see here, you have your pressure release valve. Then you're also going to have your pressure lid. You're going to have your reversible rack, the cook and crisp layered insert. You're going to have your cook and crisp basket, crisping lid, a cooking pot, and then you have your 14 levels of safety. So again, this comes with a lot. I'm pretty sure the crisping effect on this is going to be pretty amazing. I can't wait to cook stuff with this. I will definitely have videos for you all coming very soon. It apparently can also fit a 6-pound roast in here. And I know on the top before you guys saw it had a whole chicken on the top of it. So that should tell you that this thing is pretty big. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and get right into it. Alrighty, so here we go. Alrighty, so before we go any further, as you all can see here, it shows off if this is your first time, which it is going to be for me and our family using one of these. They're very popular. I see the Instant Pots everywhere at my job and whatnot. So obviously, I'm pretty sure a lot of people were buying this during the holidays. It slowed down. But as you see here, it shows you have to add 3 cups of water. You're going to have a lock lid. You turn the valve to seal it. And this also will be what you want to do with your pressure cooker. So it gives you the options, and I'll show that off in just a little bit. And then over here, it also shows again what you're going to be getting inside this. So yeah. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this up now. A little bit of cardboard, I guess, to like level it out when it's in the box. This is a huge manual, as well as looks like they also give you some cooking stuff to come with this. I think it gives you actual, yeah, it does. It gives you real recipes in color too. So for $200, they're really giving you a lot. We'll just take a look in there really fast. Yeah, it definitely has a lot. It shows a bunch of meals you can actually make with this, so that's a big plus. Like I said, I'll leave this whole thing in the description box. This sheet right here just shows off how long stuff would take to cook. So like if it says like a fresh pork shoulder, like that's 4 pounds, would take 1 hour and 30, which is really good. It's like, that's a very short amount of time. It shows like fresh corn on the cob, literally 4 to 9 minutes. Sorry for the focus, not. You got asparagus and whatnot for 7 to 15. So it shows you a lot of different ways how long stuff should cook. And again, they'll probably have a full website for this stuff. So they also on the back here, they're showing off more stuff. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Got the plug over here. It has a casing over it, which is pretty cool. And wow, this thing is huge, you guys. So this is the top, as you see here. The top is actually kind of heavy. This is a pretty dense top. Go ahead and open this up really fast. All right, so as you see here, this is it. I'm pretty sure this is either steel or aluminum. It's very dense. Like if you can hear it, it's pretty dense. This is a solid piece of equipment right here. It says peel this off. And I'm guessing this is, yeah, this is going to be your vent right here. As you see here, this is the vent. And on top of here, it also has this little button, this red button. I wouldn't know what that's for yet. This part just says the front pressure lid. And last but not least, this is the giant, or hold on, they give you the rack too. Here's the rack. This is what that looks like. Go ahead and open up that really fast. All right, so this is the rack. As you see here, it's a nicely made rack. It's pretty solid. The wash is off. I would probably put this in the dishwasher. You can try to wash this off by hand, but you come out better washing this in the dishwasher. And I'm guessing this is for like when you're about to fry chicken or something like that. Alrighty, so last but not least, finally, here it is, the giant pot here. So as you can see, you can kind of see my reflection, but I want you all to see the front of this in a better angle. So if you're seeing just different angles, that's because I'm like pausing the video and whatnot. But from the front here, you have your start stop button. I don't have it plugged in or anything. This is the cord right here, and it is a 3-prong cord, so it should be grounded and whatnot, because I'm pretty sure this is a bunch of watts. I didn't actually look up the amount of watts this was. Again, this is by Ninja. I didn't even know Ninja was doing stuff like this, or making products like this. I thought they were just doing blenders and maybe like a couple other things. I didn't know they were getting into this business, but that's pretty cool. So on the top here, you can see it has this like metal top here. This will be a venting system, so it allows some air to escape, because you can't just hold all that pressure inside here while it does cook. Now, if we open it up here, as you see, we have some foam and really quick. But as you all can see, you can see this fan right here. And I'm guessing what this does is help circulate the air, but not only that, it helps give it that crisping effect. So that is really cool that they have that. Now, on top of the other one that they just gave you, they're giving you another one inside here. So you get 2 of those. So that's a big plus. So we'll go ahead and remove this. Highly recommend you wash all this stuff off. You can't wash this actual outer rim and whatnot of the outer body of this. You can't actually wash this. That would just mess it up. And basically, but just wash the like accessories that it comes with, like this bowl, for instance, and this bowl right here. So I removed everything to make it easier, but this is going to be your like crisping pot, as you see here. And it even has a little fan under this, which I think is really cool. And it does have this like ceramic coating, as well as the actual cooking pot. This is going to be the real cooking pot. It is 6.5 quarts. So you should be able to fit a lot of water in here, or whatever other type of foods that you're putting in here. That should work. Now, obviously, if you're trying to crisp this, or if you're trying to crisp your food like chicken, like I said, or if you want to do fish or something, you can put anything basically in here and it'll cook it. And it'll cook it in a shorter amount of time. That's the best part about these pressure cookers. So as you see here, it comes with a lot. You're gonna get your crisping pot, you get an actual cooking pot, and oh, this part right here, just to show you all, under there is the hot surface. That's what is making everything hot. And that's where your power is coming from. You get a lot on here, and you're also going to get your rack here. On top of that, you get another second rack. As you see here, this is the second rack that they give you. And then it will also come with your recipes and like the cooking sheet, as you see here, just showing you all what you need to do and whatnot. And you also get your instruction manual. But I think it's really amazing that this is in color, And on top of that, they give you like over 100 different recipes. I mean, this page is long as I don't know what, you guys. So the fact that they do this all, and you can do desserts if you really want to, but this comes with a lot for the price of $200. I think it's definitely worth it. I can't wait to do a full review for this. And sorry for the unboxing being so long. I tried to make it as short as possible, but I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, share this video with the people that you think who like this type of stuff, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, as well as enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Till next time, you guys, peace out.